Hey guys, it's Steve. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I woke up, well, you can't see that, but I woke up about 45 minutes ago. Jennifer and I's, St. Patty's Day themed, makeup tutorial, two-way makeup tutorial, begins in less than 2 hours. So, as soon as I finish filming this, it's because I forgot to unbox, last night in my unboxing video. I've totally forgot 2 products that I bought, or whatever, but, yeah, like, as you guys know, I showed you guys last night, I got this beautiful light elf blush palette. Gorgeous. I swatched it and everything for you guys. It's got a huge mirror, and I'm living for it. And, then I got, this, Kilowatt, 8Go3 Chills, which is, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. The packaging is hexagonal, and it is gorgeous. As you can see, I'm thoroughly impressed, and I cannot wait to try this out, because it even might have a little bit of enough greenish hue that I can use it in CC/Candied Cupcakes / Jennifer's and my makeup tutorial for St. Patty's Day video. But okay. And I also got this and I think I'm gonna use this even in my video, even though it's not green, because I mean you can't do a full face of green makeup. That would be ridiculous. You know what I mean? I don't have green mascara, but I have green eyeliner, so I might go there. But it's this Revlon Hyper Matte Intense Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Mousse. And it is incredible. It was $7.99, and I stand by it. It's absolutely phenomenal. Okay, the fourth product, they're just not really in order, but I decided I desperately needed a new. How does it already have something on it? I just took it out of the packaging. I should have unboxed it on camera, but I forgot. But I'll open it on camera. This is it's L'Oreal Paris. And it has this little protective plastic thing on it. You see what I mean? I guess. What's happening? Okay, yeah. See? This little thing, I guess, protects it to make sure you know it's sealed that way. Oh. How does it come apart? Let's see. Wait. Does it come apart? Oh, wait, no. Look how cool the handle is. I thought it came apart in 2 different places. You know what I mean? But it doesn't. Ooh, listen to that. Oh, look at those bristles. Oh, yeah. Absolutely gonna fucking love it. I'm not gonna swatch mascara, you know what I mean? But let's see if it says a shade name or anything like that on it. Oh, I'm always curious about that. Sunset Black. Look how small it is. And somehow I can read that. Let me see, make sure it's the right side up. No. Look how small it is, and I can still read that. Ridiculous, I know. That's one thing that I don't have. That's an ailment or a disability, is vision. Excuse me. My vision is spot on and killer. But okay, yeah. I love apple cinnamon Glade spray. But then I like to mix it with a little bit of elegant amber and oud. Oh my god, if you guys can smell the bathroom right now. Oh yeah. I opened it too soon. Okay. This is my my contour palette. It's also by e.l.f. And this one was the cheapest one. It was $4.95. I cannot believe it. Wait till you see what it comes with. You're gonna be shocked. I did not expect 3 out of the 5 products that I got last night to have mirrors, but they do. And this one not only has a mirror. Watch this shit. This is insanity. I'm such a makeup lover. This is so much fun for me. It also comes with a little mirror. Look how cute that is. It's so cute. But no, it has some beautiful contouring shades. Look at that. Look in the light. There you go. You get a really good look. And it comes with this little brush, like for contouring and snatching that nose. I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna contour everywhere I possibly can and make that nose snatched. But no, I'm really excited about this green shade because I don't have I have a green-esque eyeshadow palette, or a shade in one of my eyeshadow palettes, but not this beautiful mint green. And yes, it's for corrective reasons, I know that, or whatever, but it's really good for contouring and everything, but also to get like scars away and, you know, problem areas like my T-zone, etc. But I'm really excited. But I'm going to swatch these 4 colors from. Let me take this brush out because it's going to rattle around and annoy me. But it's a cute little brush. I mean, it just came with a brush, and they all three products that I got that were compacts, or that came in compact form, had mirrors. What are the odds? That's so cool. My favorite one has to be the e.l.f. one because, well, it's a tie between the Fenty and the e.l.f. one. But, let me go ahead and swatch these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wish you could feel how smooth and creamy that was. It is so smooth and creamy. Okay, let me swatch this one. You can't really see it. Let me just swatch it a little. I'm filming. I'll be there in 1 second. Love you too. Okay. That's my fiance Joe. He just brought me lunch from McDonald's before I film my video with CC. It kind of matches my skin tone, but in the lighting, see what I mean? It doesn't clump. It's very buttery. Okay. Let's do a different finger with this green one. I don't want to waste too much of that beautiful green pigment because that's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my god. It's so can you see how smooth and buttery it is on camera? I don't know. I hope so. Okay, where did I apply that? Okay, right here. I'll do it right underneath so you can see the difference. Let's do a little more so it can be a real swatch. Okay. Yep. You can't, I mean, you see how that one's just a little darker than my skin tone? That's going to work perfect for my skin tone for contouring. I can't wait to use it. Okay. Now, and these are, they're gel. It's like they're gel. Look at it. Where my finger has touched them, can you see in light? I don't think you can see. Let me see from this angle. But, see? Yeah, they're wet. They're moist. I've never used a palette that the products are moist, or gel products, or whatever you call these. I'm not sure. But I really like it. Okay, this is a little more peachy and not as dark, so this one's going to be hard to swatch. So I'm going to wipe it on my finger for a few seconds longer. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, you can see it definitely below the mint green. You know what I mean? It's also very, this one's closer to my skin tone than the first one, so you're not going to be able to see it very well. But that's a very efficient swatch, and it's not clumpy. It's not powdery. No, it's so smooth. It's butter. Like I said, it's pure butter. Like, you don't have to blow this one. I keep blowing it because, like, it's instinctively, you know, you blow these kind of palettes and, you know, these kind of palettes and, you know, like these kind of palettes, like, you blow them and stuff because there's always, like, and, you know, your little CoverGirl compacts and stuff because there's always shit flying around everywhere, you know what I mean? Like, there's always dust in the air. That's so cool about this contour palette is that I don't have to do that. It's so awesome. I know. Okay. So, let me get a clean pinky finger for this. I would describe it as an orangish, burnt orange, kind of like maybe like a sienna, burnt sienna, maybe. Maybe I'm being too critical and too hypercritical of the colors, but let's get that swatch. That should show up relatively easy, kids. That's the darkest one out of the ones that are closest to my skin tone for contouring. But I'm glad I chose that palette. It took me like all of 2 minutes to decide on that palette for contouring because I could just tell, like, with my skin tone, I'm very fair. Yeah, I use a lot of bronzer and stuff. You can see my neckline though and my chest. I mean, I'm a pale bitch. But no, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I think that one and the green shade are my absolute favorite. But yeah, before I start to ramble, if I haven't already begun to do so, let me put that look like the ever so cute little brush that came with my compact up next to my e.l.f. blush palette that I'm so excited to try, and I can't wait to use it. I don't know what shade of blush I'm going to use yet for the video with Jennifer, but it's going to be one of these four. It's going to be awesome. And then I'm definitely going to incorporate this for sure because I can see some duochrome green in there for sure, absolutely. And then you know, I'm absolutely going to incorporate that green into my eyes as well as contouring. I'm going to use this for my lips, like I said, and the color, I don't know if I said the color, but the color is 820 Crimson Sky, and it is phenomenal. Yes, my nails aren't green, but I do not have time to take a shower and get ready and do the base, or get my base primed, get my face primed, foundation based, and blushed, and my mascara and everything, because, like, she's going to tell me, she's going to instruct me and do everything else. So that's, you know, I'm going to do, you know, my go-to CoverGirl 520 Creamy Natural for foundation. I'm going to do my brand new mascara, L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara for mascara. I'm going to attempt to put on my false lashes, finally, on camera, for the first time, which I'm really looking forward to. If I can find the other one, I'm sure I don't. Oh, here it is, perfect, yes. I have both of them, so I'm probably going to paint these green, and put them on my eyes with falsie glue, or if I can't find falsie glue, I'll just use mascara, because that also works. But before I start to ramble, if I haven't already begun to do so, and I think I already said that, I'll let you guys get a one hard, long look at that swatched arm one more time. Until next time, you guys, whom and what does Cheeseburger love so much? He loves his cheese heads and his cheeseburgers. Until next time, you guys.